Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone dictation not working. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, the first solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right. So after restarting your iPhone, so the second solution is re-enable dictation in settings. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down and tap on keyboard, scroll down and dictation here. Sorry. And first go to screen time and then tap on content and privacy restriction, tap on allowed apps and tap on Siri and dictation. After enabling this, go back, open settings again and tap on general, then tap on keyboard, scroll down and here you can see the guys, enable dictation, tap to turn this on, enable dictation. So guys, after this scroll down up, so tap on keyboards and tap on add new keyboard and scroll down, search here, search English US and tap to add this language. So after adding this language, tap on dictation language and select this language also. So select here. So after enabling this dictation, so guys, the next method is open settings, tap on general, tap on software update here. So tap here, sorry, my internet is tap on software update. So guys, check for update. So if you have available any latest update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So I have also updated my iPhone to the latest iOS, so update this iPhone. So guys, here are the simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.